If you love peanut butter and you love chocolate, then this is the cookie recipe for you. It's a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. Now, I didn't just put chocolate chips in peanut butter cookies. No, I made a chocolate chip cookie that has peanut butter in it. They're absolutely fantastic. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make a mashed up cookie flavor that's so good, especially if you love chocolate chip cookies and peanut butter cookies. I mashed up my two favorite cookie recipes to make an amazing new kind of cookie. It's soft and chewy like a chocolate chip cookie, but it has that peanut butter soft flavor like a peanut butter cookie. It's perfect. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. These cookies start with 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 2/3 cup of packed brown sugar. Add 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter and then stir or use a mixer to mix them until smooth. Now, because the butter is melted, I don't even need to use my hand mixer. You can do it either way you want, but stir that together until it's nice and creamy. Mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt until it's nice and smooth. And then mix in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. At this point, you have a nice cookie dough, and we're gonna add our chocolate chips. So you're gonna stir in 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. You can use any you want, semi-sweet milk, combination, however you want. Just use 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. Use a cookie scoop to scoop 2 tablespoon size cookie dough balls and put them onto a cookie sheet that has a parchment paper or a Silpat baking mat on it. And then we're gonna make them look like peanut butter cookies by making those crisscross marks with the fork. Then bake your cookies for about 8 to 12 minutes until they just lose their glossy sheen, and then it's time to enjoy them. Once you have them nice and baked, you can eat them, you can share them, you can freeze them. I know you're gonna love them as much as we do. With chocolate and peanut butter, my favorite flavors, and tons of great reviews on my website, these are a fantastic cookie recipe. Be sure to keep watching for even more cookies.